Welcome to SolidWorks tutorials. Today we're going to draw. It is a joint pipe. We started by double clicking the SolidWorks icon on desktop. So I'll wait for some seconds for it to open. You can come here directly to part, but you can also come to this drop down menu, select new part, OK. Also, you can come here to file, open new, OK. So I'm going directly to apply a scene. I like to use pen white. Now I'm going to use fountain pen. Yes, sketch on it. I'm going to draw two circles. The outermost should have a diameter of 40. The inner circle should have diameter of 38 millimeter. Now I'm going to features, extruded bozo base. Now I'm going to select midi plane and you highlight here, type 100. OK. So I'm going to choose a reference geometry. From there I'm going to select a plane. So you see, first reference, I'm going to click this drop down menu and select right plane. Then here I highlight here and type 70. So I'd like it to flip offset so that it can be on the other side. Then I click OK. I can come to this plane, select this plane and sketch, draw two circles. So the outer circle should have 40 millimeter diameter. The inner circle should have 38 millimeter diameter. I'm going to features, extruded pose or base. Now I'm going to select up surface, select this surface. OK. So now I'm going to select here and then sketch, convert entities, go to features again, extruded cut. So I will go to selected contours and select inside here. From there I click this drop down menu and select up to next. So you see there, then OK. So I can hide this plane. You see a joint has been created. So I can add some color on it, just or add material, click on it, go to appearance, click the drop down menu, click on part. I can apply appearance color since I can drop down menu here, then go to metal, or if it is a plastic pipe I can go to plastic. I can choose high gloss. You see I can drag it here, so I can click OK. So to save it, just go here to this save icon, then I can save it as a part number 10. OK, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. for new upcoming tutorials. Thank you.